Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make vanilla ice cream. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place the egg yolks, castor sugar, pour whole milk, double cream, and heat. Meanwhile, I'm gonna whisk together until thick. I'm gonna pour the hot whole milk little by little, stirring all the time to prevent the egg yolks from scrambling. I'm gonna return to the saucepan and heat gently, stirring continuously until just coats the back of the spoon. I'm gonna leave to cool. I'm gonna press the pre-cool button, wait for about 10 minutes, pour the vanilla essence, and stir. Pour the ice cream, press the start button and turn until the end of ice cream function status bar. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!